Avoid these 12 foods to lose belly fat fast. Belly fat, it's stubborn, it's annoying, and it's probably why you're here. Losing belly fat involves more than just cutting calories. It requires choosing the right foods and avoiding the wrong ones. So today, let's talk about 12 foods you should avoid if you want to say goodbye to that stubborn belly fat fast. Number 12. Refined baked goods. Donuts, cakes, cookies, and muffins. Sure, they taste amazing, but they're loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats with almost no nutritional value. These treats can make losing belly fat harder because they don't keep you full and aren't good for your body. Enjoying them occasionally is fine, but moderation is crucial. Take donuts, for example. Just one can have 200 to 500 calories, filled with sugar but lacking the fiber needed to keep you full. Chocolate chip cookies give you 160 calories and 8 grams of fat, but no nutrients that help with recovery or long-lasting energy. Whether they're from your local bakery or pre-packaged snacks, eating too many baked goods can quickly add up. This leads to excess calorie intake, weight gain, and even digestion issues. If you're trying to lose belly fat, cutting back on refined baked goods is a smart move. Number 11. Soda. Soda is packed with sugar and empty calories, but offers nothing to keep you full. It's a major roadblock for anyone trying to lose belly fat. Instead of reaching for soda, try sparkling water or unsweetened iced tea. You can even add a flavored swizzle stick for some sweetness. A regular can of soda has around 170 calories and nearly 50 grams of sugar, so cutting back can make a big difference. If quitting soda completely feels impossible, switching to diet soda can help. Diet sodas have 0 calories and can replace sugar-loaded sodas without impacting your calorie intake as much. Research shows that people who swap regular soda for diet versions consume fewer calories overall and tend to lose more weight over time. However, keep in mind that artificial sweeteners like aspartame, commonly found in diet sodas, have raised some health concerns. The World Health Organization recently labeled aspartame as a possible cancer risk, though the FDA disagrees. So, it's worth considering healthier drink options whenever you can. Number 10. Sugary nut butter. Nut butter can be a healthy option, but not all varieties are created equal. Some are packed with added sugar or even high fructose corn syrup, turning them into high-calorie foods that can make weight loss harder. Always check the label and stick to options made with just nuts and maybe a pinch of salt. While nuts and nut butter are nutritious snacks, they're also calorie-dense because of their fat content. It's important to watch your portions. Healthy fats are great, but they add up quickly since 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories compared to just 4 calories per gram for protein or carbs. Even with quality foods like nuts, nut butter, and avocados, overeating them can slow your progress. As dietitian Angela Lemond points out, many people unknowingly eat portions that are too large, which adds up to calories fast. So enjoy these snacks in moderation and measure out servings to stay on track. Number 9. Flavored yogurt. Flavored yogurt might seem like a healthy snack, but it often comes loaded with sugar, sometimes as much as a candy bar. A single 6-ounce serving of flavored yogurt, even vanilla, can contain nearly 30 grams of sugar. That's why dietitian Tanya Zuckerbrot suggests sticking to plain Greek yogurt instead. While sugar isn't the sole enemy of weight loss, it's easy to eat too many calories when they come from sugary foods that don't fill you up. Sugar provides quick energy, but it's better when paired with fiber, like in fresh fruit, to help you feel satisfied. For a healthier option, start with plain Greek yogurt or skyr, which is high in protein. Add natural sweetness by mixing in your berries or a drizzle of honey. This way, you control the sugar content while keeping the snack nutritious and filling. Number 8. Sugary breakfast cereals. Sugary breakfast cereals, like those with rainbow colors and marshmallows, aren't the best choice if you want to lose weight. The problem is that most cereals are packed with sugar and lack important nutrients like fiber and protein. This means you'll feel hungry again soon and end up snacking more. Instead, try oatmeal, but go for rolled or steel-cut oats, not the instant ones, since they have more fiber and less sugar. You can make it even better for weight loss by adding egg whites and shredded veggies like carrots or zucchini while cooking. Top it with berries and some nuts. You can also add high-protein milk, Greek yogurt, or protein powder for extra protein. Number 7. Fruit juice. Fruit juice may sound healthy, but it's often packed with sugar and calories without any of the fiber found in whole fruit. This makes it less filling and not the best choice for people losing belly fat. When you drink your calories instead of eating them, you're more likely to feel hungry sooner, which can lead to overeating. Research from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics shows that eating whole fruit helps reduce the risk of obesity and metabolic syndrome, while drinking fruit juice doesn't offer the same benefits. So if you're trying to lose weight, stick to water and enjoy fruit in its whole form. The fiber in whole fruit helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. If you enjoy juice, go for unsweetened varieties like cherry or grape juice occasionally. Number 6. Ice cream. Ice cream is high in both sugar and fat, making it one of the worst foods for belly fat. The sugar in ice cream causes blood sugar spikes, prompting the body to release insulin, which encourages fat storage, particularly around the belly. The unhealthy fats in many ice cream varieties, like trans fats or saturated fats, further contribute to fat accumulation, especially in the abdominal area. These fats not only add extra calories, but also promote inflammation, which can hinder fat burning. Number 5. Fast food. Fast food, like burgers, fried chicken, and pizza, is loaded with unhealthy fats, refined carbs, and excessive sodium, which can all contribute to belly fat. Studies show that diets high in these unhealthy fats, especially trans fats, can lead to fat accumulation around the abdomen. These foods are also calorie-dense, meaning they pack a lot of calories into a small portion, which can easily lead to overeating and weight gain. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a high intake of fast food is linked to increased belly fat and insulin resistance. Moreover, fast food is often low in fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion and keeping you full. Without fiber, your digestive system slows down, leading to bloating and discomfort. Plus, because these foods are stripped of nutrients, they don't provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to properly regulate fat storage, making it harder to lose weight. For better health and a flatter belly, it's best to cut back on fast food and opt for whole, nutrient-rich meals. Number 4. Chips. Chips, whether potato or tortilla, are packed with unhealthy fats and sodium, making them a poor choice for anyone trying to lose belly fat. Studies show that foods high in saturated fats and sodium can contribute to fat accumulation, especially around the abdominal area. Chips are also calorie-dense, meaning they provide a lot of calories in a small serving, which makes it easy to overeat without realizing it. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet high in processed foods, like chips, is linked to increased abdominal fat. Additionally, chips are low in fiber and essential nutrients, which means they won't keep you full for long. This can lead to overeating and snacking more frequently. To support fat loss, it's best to avoid chips and choose healthier, nutrient-rich snacks like fruits, veggies, or nuts. Number 3. High sugar sauces. Many popular sauces like ketchup, BBQ sauce, and sweet chili sauce are loaded with added sugars and high fructose corn syrup, which can spike your blood sugar and contribute to belly fat. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that sugar intake can lead to fat accumulation around the abdomen. These sauces add a lot of empty calories to your meals without providing any significant nutrients. Instead, try using mustard, salsa, or homemade sauces with less sugar for flavor. Number 2. Candy bars and sweets. Candy bars and other sugary sweets are packed with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and minimal nutritional value. These foods are calorie-dense and lead to blood sugar spikes, encouraging fat storage around the belly. To satisfy a sweet tooth, try fruit or dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, which is lower in sugar and has more antioxidants. Number 1. Granola. While granola is often marketed as a health food, many store-bought varieties are packed with sugar, oils, and preservatives. These ingredients can quickly turn a seemingly healthy snack into a calorie-dense food that promotes belly fat. A study from the International Journal of Obesity found that foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats contribute to abdominal fat. For a healthier alternative, make your granola at home using whole oats, nuts, seeds, and a small amount of natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Which food do you think people often overlook when it comes to causing belly fat? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how to make smarter food choices for a healthier lifestyle, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching.